Our topic for today is, what is the federal government? Just helped you to understand that there is a free solution for you to be from up under the corporation known as United States, which operates in Washington, D.C. Okay? They're tags or flags. Get your own flag. I love you. I love you. I love you. And, we're going to talk some more about the spiritual laws. We're going to talk some more about how to stay intact spiritually so you can start manifesting in your third dimension. I hope you got something from this today. Our session, for those who just came in last minute. All right, so listen, I want y'all to know I love you. I thank you. I really do appreciate you. We talked today about who is the federal government and how you use the federal government to protect you. All right. There is somebody. Let me say this before I get out of here. I need y'all to understand. If you're seeing a whole bunch of evil, quote unquote evil, because a lot of us see the quote unquote government as evil. I need y'all to understand there's always another side. It can't just all be one way where, oh, these people are evil and everything is evil, because they would have devoured us by now. They wouldn't go by rules, and they go by rules and they fear somebody. So if it was that situation where it was just all one way, we would have been gone by now. We would have been devoured. Everything would have shut down. I'm letting you know there's somebody behind the scenes working for you. They can't step up until you know law and are willing to ask for the help. But the only way you can ask is if you know what to ask for. All right? That's what I'm here to talk to you about. Okay? If you want to join the university, please send a message. We start up on the 16th of July. I would love to have you in the sessions. Okay? We try to make it as easy as we can to get you in there. So find a way. All right, learn to manifest and get up in that class so we can get you the information you need. Okay, I want y'all to know I love you. I love you, and I love you, and give me a hug. Come on, come on in here. Give me a hug. I love you. All right, yes. Bye bye. I'm gonna see y'all hopefully tomorrow. I'm out. Bye.